Hello guys, we are from group 4. We will to explain material about interacting and the empathizing with others, empathies with the others. Okay, a list of the content. 1. Introduce our group, and 2. Introduction empathy. 3. Interact and empathize with the others. 4. What is the importance of the empathy? 5. How to building empathy. And 6. Example of the showing empathy. And the last conclusion. Okay, I'm Sylvia Marusutama as moderator and speaker 1, and my partner Becca Musdalifa as speaker 2, and the last Devina Anastasia as speaker 3. Okay, the first material will be presented by me. First, introduction empathy. Empathy is about standing in someone else's shoes, feeling with his or her heart, seeing with his or her eyes. Not only is empathy hard to the outsource and automate, but it makes the world a better place. Empathy helps you see things from the another's perspective, sympathize with their emotion, and build strangers' relationship. Okay, next, interact and empathize with the others. This means that when you communicate with the others, actively try to understand and share their feeling by putting yourself in their shoes, imagining with what is the would be like to experience their situation allow you to respond with the compassion and the support. It involves actively listening, observing nonverbal cues, then considering their perspective without judgment. Okay, the next material will be presented by Deka. Deka, time is yours.
Okay, next material is what is the importance of empathy. Empathy leads a better relationship. It can be key component to build a more satisfying life. Empathy can also 1. Building relationship. Empathy helps to build stronger and more trusting relationship between individuals from and different background. 2. Is reducing conflict. By understanding another person's perspective, we can reduce the potential for conflict and increase the cooperation. 3. Is improving communication. Empathy allows us to communicate more effectively because we can adjust to the way we speak and listen based on the needs or others.
Okay, next, how to building empathy. The phrase active listening. Focus on what the other person is saying without interrupting. It's best to listen with all open-minded. Ask questions to clarify and show that you care to provide feedback. Second, observing body language. Pay attention to facial expression and body movements to understand how others are feeling. Being aware of your own body language and person who you communicate with. Treating from the other person's point of view. Try to see the situation from the other person's perspective to understand the reactions and feelings. Next, example of showing empathy. The phrase offering a comforting parasite. I can see why you're feeling frustrated, or that must have been really tough for you. Second, sharing a relevant personal experience. I've been through something similar once and it was hard for me to treat a colleague is stressed about a deadline. Asking open-ended questions to understand their concerns. Offering practical assistance if possible and acknowledging the pressure they are feeling.
Last is the conclusion. Empathy isn't something that you either have or don't have. Some people have a high degree of empathy, while others have lower empathy. If your empathic abilities are the lower end of the spectrum, you might feel indifferent to other people pain. It's true that build empathy is a way to expand your social circle and boost your happiness. But don't overlook the benefit it has for the people you encounter as well. Empathy can have a ripple effect. As you take the time to truly listen to others, you're providing them with some level of emotional comfort. And the possible that you're making it easier for them to trust, comfort, then empathize with even more people. Okay, that's all for our video.